Hi everybody, it's افكار channel, and today we are going to learn chemistry. So let's go. We are going to do chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry from this book. We are going to cover 3 subtopics in this video and other subtopics in part 2, so make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Types of chemistry.
Biochemistry. Biochemistry explores the chemical processes and substances occurring within living organisms. It investigates the structure and function of biomolecules such as proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids, as well as the biochemical pathways and metabolic reactions that sustain life. Biochemistry intersects with other disciplines such as molecular biology, genetics, and medicine. Environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry focuses on the study of chemical processes occurring in the environment, including air, water, soil, and living organisms. It addresses issues such as pollution, toxicology, environmental degradation, and the impact of human activities on ecosystems. Environmental chemists seek to understand and mitigate environmental challenges through the development of sustainable practices and technologies. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry involves the identification, separation, and quantification of chemical compounds and elements in various samples. Techniques such as chromatography, spectroscopy, mass spectrometry, and electrochemistry are commonly used to analyze substances and determine their composition and concentration. Organic chemistry. This branch deals with the study of carbon-containing compounds, including the structure, properties, reactions, and synthesis of organic molecules. Organic chemistry is crucial in understanding living organisms, pharmaceuticals, materials science, and many industrial processes. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is the study of inorganic compounds, which typically do not contain carbon-hydrogen CH bonds. It explores the properties, structures, and reactions of metals, minerals, and other substances, including coordination complexes and organometallic compounds. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry focuses on the principles and theories governing the physical properties and behavior of matter. It encompasses thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, quantum mechanics, spectroscopy, and statistical mechanics, among other topics. Physical chemists use mathematical and theoretical models to explain and predict chemical phenomena. Basic definitions. Matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It is the physical substance of the universe and is composed of particles such as atoms and molecules. Matter exists in various forms, including solids, liquids, gases, and plasma, each with distinct properties and behaviors. If you are enjoying our video, so make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video and comment down your queries. Substance. A substance is a form of matter that has a constant composition and distinct properties. Substances can exist as elements or compounds. Elements are pure substances composed of only one type of atom, such as oxygen, O2, or gold, Au. Compounds are substances composed of 2 or more different elements chemically bonded together in fixed proportions, like water, H2O, or carbon dioxide, CO2. Mixture. A mixture is a combination of 2 or more substances that are physically mixed together but not chemically bonded. Mixtures can be separated by physical means such as filtration, distillation, or chromatography into their individual components. Mixtures can be homogeneous, where the components are evenly distributed throughout the mixture, e.g., salt dissolved in water, or heterogeneous, where the components are unevenly distributed, e.g., oil and water. Physical properties. Physical properties are characteristics of a substance that can be observed or measured without changing the substance's chemical composition. Examples of physical properties include color, the visual appearance of a substance; density, the mass of a substance per unit volume; melting point, the temperature at which a substance changes from a solid to a liquid; boiling point, the temperature at which a substance changes from a liquid to a gas. Solubility, the ability of a substance to dissolve in a solvent. Conductivity, the ability of a substance to conduct heat or electricity. Chemical properties. Chemical properties describe how a substance interacts with other substances and undergoes chemical changes to form new substances. Chemical properties are observed during chemical reactions and transformations. Examples of chemical properties include flammability, the ability of a substance to burn in the presence of oxygen. Reactivity, the tendency of a substance to react with other substances to form new products. Acidity, basicity, the ability of a substance to react with acids or bases. Corrosiveness, the tendency of a substance to cause corrosion or deterioration of other materials. Toxicity, the ability of a substance to cause harm to living organisms. Elements, compounds, and mixture. Element. An element is a substance that consists of only one type of atom. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical means. Each element is represented by a unique chemical symbol and is organized in the periodic table based on its atomic number. Compound. A compound is a substance composed of two or more different elements chemically bonded together in fixed proportions. Compounds have properties that are different from those of their constituent elements. They can be broken down into simpler substances through chemical reactions. Mixture. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances that are physically mixed together but not chemically bonded. Mixtures can vary in composition and can be separated into their individual components by physical means, such as filtration, distillation, or chromatography, without changing their chemical identities. Hope you like our video. Subscribe and wait for part 2. Goodbye.